students, class 9 physics. Yeah, in the previous class, we have discussed up to the units of the time. Now, some examples of derived unit. Please open your books, page number 7. Some examples of derived units. Derived units we have discussed before also. Those units which are taken from the fundamental units. Those units which are taken from fundamental units are said to be the derived units. For example, in the chart you see the chart they have given quantity, definition, derived unit, abbreviation symbols. In this first of all see area. Area of this room is length into breadth. Length is also measured in meters, breadth is also measured in meter. So meter into meter, the unit symbol between meter into meter symbol will be meter square. Volume of the same room, length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height all are given in meters. So meter into meter, it will be meter cubed. This will be the symbol for the volume. Density we know mass upon volume. Mass is measured in kg. Volume is measured in meter cube. So kg per meter cube. kg per meter cube. It's the same way speed or velocity. Speed measured in speed or velocity, distance upon time. Distance measured in meter, time upon second. So these are meter per second. Either you calculate the speed or the velocity. Acceleration according to the unit is rate of change of velocity. Acceleration means here you see acceleration is rate of change of velocity. What does it mean? Acceleration means velocity upon time. Velocity meter per second over time per second. So unit becomes meter per second square. Unit of acceleration becomes meter per second square. In this way, these or other derived units we can derive from the fundamental unit. Force, mass into acceleration. Mass, kilogram. Acceleration, meter per second square. Force if you write. Force is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. Mass is measured in kg. Acceleration, meter per second square. So unit can be written as kg meter per second square. So all these are the examples of the derived units. Momentum, mass into velocity, kg meter per second. Power, moment of force into distance, Newton meter or kg meter square per second square. Power, work upon time. You will say power is equal to work upon time. So work is measured in kg meter per second cube or joule per second or watt. So these are the units which we have taken from the fundamental unit. As we have given the bigger chart, we can derive these units from the fundamental units. That this all are the examples of derivation of the derived unit from the fundamental units they have given. Now go through it. If any doubt you can clarify. After this we can come to guidelines for writing the units. Very important it is. Guidelines for writing the unit. Number 1. Symbol for the unit which is not named after the name of scientist written in small letter. Look here. If I have to write the unit as meter, it is not named after any scientist, so we will write it with a small letter m. Meter. It will not be written by capital letter, it will be written by small m. Second, not by any scientist name, not capital letter S, small s. Third example, they have given kilogram, kilogram, not by capital kg, no, small kg. First. Second is symbol of a unit which is named after a scientist will be written as capital. For example, Newton. Look here, Newton, capital symbol is N. And if I write this full word Newton, this will be O. Symbol can be used capital when the scientist name is used. Symbol can be used capital when the scientist name is used. Third exception, although the letter of the unit volume is not named after a scientist, sometimes symbol is written capital S instead of small. Third, the full name of unit is parent, irrespective of a fact whether it is named after a scientist or not, always written in lower initial letter. Kilogram, kg. Length, L. Meter, M. Not with the full name as I have written Newton. It will not. If I write the full Newton word, I will not start with a capital N. Unit of power is written as watt. We will start with small w, not with capital W. Fourth, compound unit formed by multiplication of two or more units written after putting dot or cross. Not as in dot or cross. Newton into meter. You can write Newton meter like this. Newton dot meter like this. Or you can write Newton meter like this also. All are there. Fifth, negative powers is used for compound unit which is formed by dividing one unit by the other per second. Like meter upon second. Meter upon second. We can write meter second inverse. Meter per second square. We can write meter second negative 2. Clear? So inverse power can be written. 6th point, unit is in its short form is never written in plural. Meters we don't have height, we write only millisecond. Because if we write meters, it will be ms. That symbolizes the millisecond. No, it will not be written in plural. It is always written in singular. To avoid powers of 10 in the magnitude of the quantity, prefix can be used. Bigger units can be used, but a unit must not be written with more than one prefixes. Kilo megawatt, we will write gigawatt. Kilo here it is also prefix and mega is also prefix. We cannot use two prefixes at a time. You can use only one. Giga raised power 9. When the prefix is used, the symbol of the unit prefix symbol combined before the new symbol. For example, kilometer cube means 10 raised to the power 3 raised power 9. It does not mean 10 raised power 3 into meter cube. 10 raised power 3 is kg meter cube or kg meter cube. So these are few guidelines to be noted when we write the unit. Always after solving the numerical, we should write the correct unit. And listen one more thing. If you have got any confusion in unit, it is better not to write or to write the wrong one. So write the correct unit, or if one time you will leave, you can be escaped. But if you write the wrong unit, you will be penalized for that. Now examples are given, page number 8. Go through it, read numerical problems and try to solve. If any doubt you can clarify. In the theoretical exercise, they have given all the answers. Question answers we will search from the back, and rest small answers they have given along with the questions. Come to numerical problems. Numerical problem. Take out your notebook. If you don't have your notebook, at least you can make one old copy for physics for the numerical. Old copy you make. Previous class copy, if the pages are there, any register is there, you can make. No problem. Maybe I can understand that there are no markets are not open. You will find difficult. Go old pages, all the copies you can use for that. Now come to page number 10. Numerical number 1. The wavelength of light of a particular color. Wavelength denoted by lambda. This is the symbol for wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda, Greek letter lambda. 5800 Angstrom. Express it in nanometer and meter. First, given value lambda is 5800 Angstrom. We know that 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom. Here is the solution. 1 nanometer 10 angstrom. Or if I write 1 by 10 nanometer 1 angstrom, 1 angstrom is equal to 1 by 10 nanometer. So 5800 angstrom is equal to 1 by 10 of 5800. It will be 580 Newton meter. 580 Newton meter. First answer. A answer. B part, they have asked to convert this wavelength into meter. We know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So 5800 angstrom multiply by this. Two zeros, these two zeros are taken and these are the positive powers in the next step. But to write the unit, always we should put 1 after the digit. So 1 more 0 is added. Minus 8, it will become minus 8 and plus 1 minus 7. So it will be the second part, 5.8 10 power minus 7 meter. Don't get confused on how we have written this. These two zeros are added, 2 plus, and 1 more 0 is added, so the power reduces. Understood? Come to question number 3. Second one we have to do as a homework. First I have done, third I will do. Distance of a galaxy from the earth is 5.6 10 power 25 meter. Distance of a galaxy from the earth. This distance they have given in meters. Assuming the speed of light to be 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second, find the time. We know that basic formula, time is equal to distance traveled over speed. Distance they have given, we have noted. Speed they have given, noted. Now how to solve? These 10 is in denominator 10 power 8. So 10 power 8 is taken as negative and they will come to the numerator. What is left? 5.6 into 10 power minus 10 power 17, positive. I have divided, it becomes an 1.866 into 10 power 17 seconds. Please check the answer. Answer they have given 1.87 can be written as, because there are more than 5, or 1.87 into 10 raised to the power 17 second. Not necessary to make it round off. So put 3 decimal place. If I am getting 1.86, then also it is correct. No problem. The book they have written 1.87, no problem. And down in third one, time is equal to distance over speed. Now question number 4 for homework for you. Question number 5. Mass of an oxygen atom is 16 yo. Find its mass in kg. Mass they have given oxygen atom is 16. Find the mass in kg. 1 U is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg. 16 multiplied by 16. So here you see, if I multiply 1.6 into 16 comes as 26.56. 10 power minus 27 as it is. Now 1 decimal place, shifted this decimal. So here it comes minus 27 plus 1 minus 26 kg. Question number 5. This value is given, known, you have to remember. Now, sixth one for your homework. Question number 7. I am doing odd number questions, even you have to try. If you won't be able to, I will do it. Yeah? All of you will try even question, even number of questions, I will do odd. So you will have also have practice. Question number 7. The distance of a star from the earth. Distance they have given. Distance of a star from the earth is 8.33 light minute. light minute. What do you mean by this statement? Express the distance in meter. Means this much of the distance is traveled in 1 minute. Statement means this much of the distance is traveled in 1 minute. Express the distance in meter. Now, distance in meter. Speed of light is 3 to the power 8 meter per second. 8.33 light minute multiply by this. It becomes 18 into 8.33 to the power 9. Multiplying we get 149.94 10 power 9. Shift this to decimal place, so it will be positive 2 powers here. 1.4994 10 power 11 or rounding off 1.5 10 power 11 meter. This rounding off is not necessary, compulsory, but if they have done in book, you can also do 1.4994 is the into 10 power 11 meter can also be written. So distance in 8.33 light minute, this much of the distance is traveled. This is the answer. Now students, homework is to try odd number of questions from numericals. Theory questions you can mark and learn from this only. And all solved problems on page number 8 and 9. Clear? Go through each and every line of this text till here. In the next class, I will start measurement of length. Measurement of length. If you are having meter scale, you keep it with you. Vernier caliper, if you can arrange from your seniors, you keep it in your hand. So it will be easy for you to understand vernier caliper. Next class, I will take how to measure with the scale and what is the use of vernier caliper. Clear? Thank you students. God bless you.